The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. You see it? Alright, yeah, I hope everyone is having a good day. You see it? Alright, so in this video I'm going to present to you two videos that are circulating on social media, and the first video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. This video is circulating on social media where it is said that a female bite a police officer. You see, I've seen a shorter version of this video. However, in my point of view, I think that this video that I'm about to present to you is long enough for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get a good understanding as to what happened. You see, it is said that the female had a confrontation with the police and one thing led to another, and the female bite one of the police officers from within the country of Guyana. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Nobody can you last time you get why you put the thing on me? Why put your fucking hand on me face? Don't get disrespectful. What do you ask? Why you putting this thing on me? Yeah, this look for trouble. I going to work. Why you gonna push this thing upon me?
I mean, it's your phone.
Well, I'm drop it. Drop it. Well, I move like right.
Pode ir, vai, Leuto. Did he put you on time for she, boy? Say she's a mad woman. She a get medical. Say she's a mad
Thing to
woman.
be they get a step on the fucking road doing, man.
Come on, the bike, boy.
Imagine I got to go this fucking walking you down there.
Leuto, put your bike there. Put your bike there, Leuto. Put your bike. Put your bike right here, Leuto. She could jam me. She could jam me. What? Alright.
Fucking car, boy.
Just got you on the car.
Germany police. This is Germany police.
This is
Germany police. The Germany police.
She jam me, that's what I know.
You under arrest to be able to talk. You under arrest to be able to talk. You don't know about it. You under arrest to be able to talk.
This fucking
Come on, y'all, come to control this lady. You don't care who you think. You see soon that you have nothing else.
Tell the officer who's the problem.
She biting the sergeant. You lady, stop like. Come on, your mother girl. You should bite the sergeant for. Calm shut down. You can't bite the sergeant if you want to man do. What she bite the sergeant for? What she bite the man? What the other thing bleeding? The story is this here. What she bite the man for? You calm yourself now? What's all this about?
She must go station.
She bleed the man, she bite into sergeant's skin, you know?
Me was sergeant rough out.
She bite the sergeant, they watch him on hand bleeding.
They not she do it.
It only video, brother. It only video. Me expect that from y'all.
I'm asking you, what is your arrest for?
The story is this here, you know you?
Oh, so you don't answer me?
You don't know me, but I know it's the one here. You don't know.
Viewers and subscribers, I might be right and I might be wrong, but it seems as if the police did not want that vehicle to be driven from that location at that time. You see it? And it seems as if the male got in somewhat of a trouble with the police for doing something. It seems so, you see me? And if the police have not charged the female for biting one of those police officers, then I think she's a lucky woman. Alright, anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. And I have another video that I'm going to present to you. But before I present the next video to you, I want you to take a look at this picture and tell me how many Jamaican dancehall artists can you recognize in this picture? Or how many Jamaican musicians you can recognize in this picture? See? Yeah, you can tell me the names or you can give me a number. You see? Yeah, you can leave your comments in the comment section of this video. You see me? Let me know. Alright. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. This video shows police officers putting out a bushfire somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video had been recorded. Nor I do have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded. But however, it is said that the police did their best to prevent the fire from spreading and damaging any house or houses nearby. You see? It is said that civilians was there with the police putting out the bushfire as well too, you know, and in my point of view, police work is hard work, you know. Yeah, and I want to say big up and respect to those police officers shown in the video and to those civilians shown in the video as well, to viewers and subscribers. You see? Alright, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Above and beyond, officer, the line of duty. Above and beyond.
Yeah, pan real viewers and subscribers, police work is hard work, you know. Yeah. So big up to those police officers shown in that video that I just presented to you. Alright, so let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.